Welcome to the HKS Story channel.
Guess the cartoon character by the emoji. Ready? Let's go! Before continuing, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for other exciting quizzes. Guess the panda. Po from Kung Fu Panda. Who controls the elements? Aang. Guess the team. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Who's this duo? Hero and Baymax. Guess the duck. Scrooge McDuck. Who is this vampire girl? Draculaura. Guess the explorer. Dora. Who's this curious monkey? Curious George. Guess the mermaid. Ariel. Who is this lion? Simba. Guess the Space Ranger. Buzz Lightyear. Who's this singing penguin? Mumble from Happy Feet. Guess the purple dinosaur. Barney. Who's this bunny? Bugs Bunny. Guess the singing squirrels. Alvin and the Chipmunks. Who is this sneaky fox? Swiper. Guess the dinosaur. Rex from Toy Story. Who is this? Vampirina. Guess the hero. Catboy, PJ Masks. Who's this cute star cat? Poppy Cat. Choose the next challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for other exciting quizzes.